In this tutorial, I'll show you my complete AI-powered workflow for creating engaging videos using PowerPoint slides for educational purposes so that you can make professional educational content faster and easier. Combining AI tools with slide-based lesson design helps me produce high-quality biology explainer videos quickly while keeping them visually clear and student-friendly. I start by selecting curriculum-aligned biology topics that students are actively searching for using YouTube keyword research to guide my choices. I use AI research tools to break down complex biology concepts, generate structured lesson outlines, and then verify everything with open access, peer-reviewed sources. AI helps me write clear, engaging videos, often suggesting analogies that make topics like cell division or photosynthesis easier to understand. I storyboard my biology lessons in PowerPoint, keeping one concept per slide, adding animation cues, and using the designer feature for a professional look. I combine AI-generated diagrams with public domain and Creative Commons BY images to create visuals that are both accurate and legally safe for monetized videos. I record my biology video voiceovers in a quiet space, pacing my discovery to match slide transitions and animations. In editing, I sync narration with visuals, add captions for accessibility, and fine-tune pacing so students can follow along easily. I optimize my uploads with YouTube SEO. Keyword-rich titles, detailed descriptions, and playlists so my biology tutorials are easy to find. You should share your videos on teacher forums, social media, and course websites to reach students and educators. I use YouTube analytics and viewer comments to improve my videos, making each new biology lesson better than the last. Avoid cramming too much on one slide, always respect copyright, and never skip SEO. It's what helps your videos get discovered. AI speeds up production, slides keep lessons clear, and SEO ensures your biology videos reach the right audience. In my next videos, I'll share how to monetize educational content, automate your workflow, and use advanced AI tools to level up your production. Subscribe now so you don't miss it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials, for more tutorials and educational videos.